Hello, and welcome to the Learning Corner. It's me, Dr. Nicole, and I will be your host today. Okay, so we've been doing a whole 10-part series and we're kind of winding it down. We're coming to the end of it. So today, episode 9, we're going to dive into the exclusive and private tiers of my membership program. And number 8, episode 8, we went into the basic and the wellness tiers. So today, episode 9, the deep dive, exclusive and private tiers. All right. Some of you, the basic health maintenance isn't enough. You've struggled with chronic issues your whole life and you need a serious health partner. Today, we're going to talk about our top tiers, exclusive and private memberships. Okay, let's dive right in. Exclusive memberships. Basically, you get a dedicated year of growth, and the people who need the exclusive are usually the ones that have lots of goals they want to get to and obtain. They have a lot of chronic issues, so they need a lot of coaching. This includes basically everything we talked about last week from the wellness, plus adding different things in as you might need. Some people might need a DEXA or a body composition scan, so we can add that in. Metabolomic testing, that basically is similar to the Nutra Eval. The differences between those two are literally clinically they're different, but to patients you're going to see it as the Nutra Eval. You have to go to a lab and you get it drawn. The metabolomics test is basically a finger prick at home plus a urine. So that's the difference. The metabolomics test is going to look at and have the availability for CoQ10 testing as well as glutathione. And then the metabolomics test is going to have more heavy metal opportunity to look at heavy metals. So that's kind of the difference there. And then the exclusive membership, you're going to have 2 30-minute monthly visits or 1 60-minute, somewhere about in that amount, which is double the amount as the wellness. So you're going to check in more, you're going to have more time, and then you get unlimited messaging. And the benefits of this is basically somebody who needs more. So unlimited messaging basically means if you're going to message me on the Practice Better app or you're going to email me, I'd prefer messaging on the Practice Better because it's HIPAA compliant. But I will spend time and actually send you a full message and go through things. And, obviously I might not be able to get to it within 2 hours unless it's urgent, but I will give you more of a full answer versus the wellness and the basic is more like, hey, should I go up or down a dose? What did we talk about, for this supplement or this food? Or what did you say again about this? And then I give you a brief, like a 5-minute or less, here's the answer. With the exclusive membership, you start getting into, you need more input. You are desiring more input. So that's where this might be for you, the exclusive membership. More time with me, unlimited messaging, more testing. I mean, all levels have the availability to do testing. But when you get into the exclusive membership, that's when you're starting to say, hey, this is more urgent. This year is the year of change and I need some help. Then we're going to jump into the next tier, which is my private membership. Now, each one have limits. So the basic membership, I see 20, wellness 20, patients, exclusive 10. Private is basically upon request. I'll only be seeing private members because maybe a specific case. This will be something that for a patient, they need all hands on deck. They need my time, my effort, and it's going to be a lot, meaning a lot of time. Maybe it's somebody who, I don't know, is working with a team for breast cancer and they recommended finding a holistic coach. Maybe it is somebody who you have early onset Alzheimer's and you need to dive in right now and change everything. And you need somebody with you to start mitigating that for you. So, those are kind of where the private memberships lie as far as health concerns. I have had a couple people ask about, well, what if I just want my own private doctor? Um, I would really have to think about that, but that is another area for a private membership. I am only accepting at any one time 5 private memberships, and they are going to be, unlimited, basically, time with me, communication with me. Um, it includes, and we would go through and do a detailed outline of what you need, and I would give you a price at that time. Um, the cheapest, anyways, the private membership is going to be upon request, maximum 5, very specific. I would accept very specific cases for this. This isn't going to be like the normal everyday membership. This is set aside for those who maybe need a little bit extra, tailored to help them, either whether it's early onset Alzheimer's, maybe at moderate, cancer recovery, complex, unique issues. Those are the things that would outline the use of or the need for a private membership. Private tier, like we talked about, we would just add what we needed when we needed it. And then this is all paid for once we solidify kind of the game plan. It still does not include adjustments and medical massage unless you want me to create it to include that, but it would be at a discounted rate. So that's where I think a lot of the questions I've been having is, do you have an outline? I do. It's on my website, ptbodytherapy.com, and that will be on the link on all my podcasts. If you're wanting to join, if you're wanting to know more, you can go on a discovery call with me. It's about a 15-minute call. It's complimentary, and we will discuss all these things. It does have you fill out a short intake. It's about 1 to 2 pages, and it tells me a little bit about you and what you're looking for. That is where patients are like, well, how do I get started? What does it include? How can we do this? When you're looking at a basic membership or a wellness membership or even exclusive, you can tailor that a little bit to you. The reason why I set them up this way is because at different levels, I have seen the need for different amounts of testing. I've seen the need for different amounts of communication. And so everything is laid out because of how I've seen patients effectively get better in the past, and it can meet different needs, right? So that's where the memberships for me allow the best care for every patient. Remember, there's going to be only 50. So if I take one private membership, I might knock off an exclusive. I don't want to extend myself because I think that each one of you deserves a quality physician who values you, and that's my heart in this, and that's my goal in this, is to make sure that each patient gets the level that they want, that suits their goals and their needs, that gets you to the place of health and longevity that you desire. And so sometimes you might find, oh wait, I thought I was a wellness, but man, I guess I didn't realize how chronic these headaches were. And now you're having some trouble going, is this an exclusive, membership, or is this a wellness? Well, the differentiator might be, how much do you think you need to discuss those things with me? How long will it take for you to ask the questions or for me to get the information over to you? Now, I do have the education program, which teaches about the body, and it teaches about all of our organ systems, and I do go in and talk about blood sugar regulation. I go in and talk about oral or mouth health, and then I talk about different things like repleting our stomach acid, the reasons to do that, why and how, and all these things. So the education program is in there for the wellness and the exclusive members to really act as a helper, as a guide, as me, just in digital format to really get in there. Obviously, I'm not an AI bot. I did actually create the content. And then I am doing a lot of voiceovers and video recordings and trying to just teach how I've always taught, but so that it's at your fingertips instead of having to come in and spend a half hour visit going, "Hey, Dr. Nicole, can you explain to me again about blood sugar regulation?" And then our visit pertains to that half hour gets taken up by that. And so that is a huge value to each one of my members. And so a wellness membership, an exclusive membership, as well as a private, you get access to that and you get full access to that. And I'm going to be loading content on there. I'm thinking about doing a lot of cooking and doing it, either live or maybe getting somebody to do that because food is a way of life. We need to learn how to not be chefs, but to be able to manage in the kitchen. So, those are all things that are included in the exclusive and the private, as well as the wellness for the education program. So, that is kind of the finalization and the deep dive into the 4 membership tiers. A lot of people are going to be at the basic and wellness, but there's many of you that need the exclusive or maybe even the private membership. You just need a little more. It's the time of year, it's the time of decade, it's the time and season of your life that you really have the opportunity because your kids are out of the house or they're in college now or high school, and you're like, wow, I can actually take care of myself. So you get to spend the time and the energy doing that for you. And that's where the exclusive program will come in and say, okay, we're going to look through everything. I'm going to help you through all of this. I'm going to be your coach. I'm going to be your doctor. I'm going to really stay on top of this. And that's where a lot of patients are like, oh, I guess I didn't realize all of that's included. And even the members that have signed up, they are like, wow, okay, well, okay, I'm going to go on there. Sometimes you just don't even realize that that education program's there, that the accessibility is there. And it's such a good value adder. It adds so much depth and context to what we talk about in the clinic together, from patient to doctor, coach to patient. And it really fills in a lot of the blanks. And when you have questions, you can, I'll just go back and listen to that again. Oh, there's a handout. I'll read it because I'm a read write, and that's how I learn. So those are the things I want you to really understand and put in the back of your head and go, wow, okay, this is something that I really, really could utilize. So, anyways, it's been awesome chatting and explaining these things. I hope you've learned some different details in this, and I hope that you become a member one day, or one of your friends and family also become a member, and that we can get you to true vitality and longevity. It has been awesome and my pleasure. Again, I'm Dr. Nicole. Have a great day.